In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment and get feedback in Webflow. If you're new to Webflow or looking to streamline your collaborative process, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to take from logging into your workspace to leaving comments for feedback. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Webflow's main page. Webflow is a powerful web design tool that lets you create custom websites using a visual canvas, making it a favorite for designers who appreciate a hands-on approach. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, typically found in the top right corner. Click it so that you can access your account. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub where all your projects reside. It's organized in a way to give you quick access to everything you need. From here, you'll want to select the specific project you're working on. This could be a newly launched site or an ongoing project that you're revisiting. Click on the relevant project to open it up. Now that you've opened your project, it's time to focus on commenting and seeking feedback. Look for the Comments button, which helps in initiating a discussion about specific elements or sections of your project. It's an excellent feature within Webflow that facilitates real-time collaboration. Clicking on Comments will allow you to add notes directly onto the project interface. This way, your comments are perfectly aligned with the design components they reference. This step is crucial for precise communication, ensuring that your teammates or clients understand exactly what's being discussed. When you click to leave a comment, make sure to provide as much context as possible. Clear, descriptive feedback not only improves communication, but also accelerates the revision process. Webflow's interface is intuitive, making it easy to tag collaborators, ask for specific revisions, or give praise for a job well done. To maximize the effectiveness of your feedback loop, encourage others to reply with their thoughts and suggestions. Webflow allows for threaded comments, which keeps everything organized and easy to follow. This capability makes reviewing revisions a breeze, as you can look back at previous exchanges to see how the project has evolved. Once you've finished commenting and gathered feedback, you can proceed to make adjustments or discuss the feedback further with your team. Remember, engaging effectively with this feature will help you refine your project and take it to the next level. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effectively comment and get feedback in Webflow, making your creative process more collaborative and efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.